Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I am Dr. Muhammad Atikur Rahman, Assistant Professor, Anatomy Department, Ad-Din Akiz Medical College, Khulna. Today, I will discuss about cells of general connective tissue. Cells of general connective tissue can be conveniently separated into resident cell population and wandering cell population. The cells that make up the resident cell population are relatively stable. They typically exhibit little movement and can be regarded as permanent residents of the tissue. These resident cell population include fibroblasts, adipocytes or fat cells, mesenchymal stem cells, pigment cells. The wandering cell population consists primarily of cells that have migrated into the tissue from the blood in response to specific stimuli. These include plasma cells, macrophages, mast cells, leukocytes. Now, features and functions of some important cells of general connective tissue. Fibroblasts. Fibroblasts are the most common cells in general connective tissue. They are fixed or resident cells. They arise from undifferentiated mesenchymal stem cells. Now, features. They are flattened and irregular in outline with extended processes, and in profile they appear fusiform or spindle shaped. Classification of fibroblasts. According to activity and morphology, there are three types. Number 1, active fibroblasts. Number 2, quiescent fibroblasts or phagocytes. And number 3, myofibroblast. The active fibroblast has an abundant cytoplasm and irregularly branched cytoplasmic process. Its nucleus is ovoid, large and pale staining, with fine chromatin and a prominent nucleolus. Its cytoplasm is rich in rough endoplasmic reticulum. The Golgi complex of active fibroblast is well developed. The fibrocyte or quiescent fibroblast is smaller than fibroblast and tends to be spindle shaped. They have fewer cytoplasmic process. Their cytoplasm is acidophilic and they have few rough endoplasmic reticulum. Its nucleus is small, dark and elongated. Myofibroblast, which has the characteristics similar to both fibroblasts and smooth muscle cells. Now, functions of fibroblasts. Number 1, fibroblasts synthesize most of the extracellular matrix of connective tissue. Number 2, they involved in production of growth factors that influence cell growth and differentiation. Number 3, myofibroblasts involved in wound healing. Now, plasma cells. They are originated from hematopoietic stem cells in bone marrow. They are oval in shape. They have basophilic cytoplasm due to numerous rough endoplasmic reticulum. Plasma cells have eccentrically placed spherical nucleus with clumps of heterochromatin and euchromatin distributed in alternative manner around the periphery of the nucleus, giving a cartwheel appearance. Plasma cells are derived from B lymphocytes. Functions of plasma cells. Plasma cells are involved in the defense of the body by producing antibodies. Macrophage. When monocytes reaches the extravascular tissue, it undergoes transformation into a large phagocytic cell, which is termed as macrophage. They originate from hematopoietic stem cells in bone marrow. They are large amoeba-like cells of immune system. A typical macrophage measures between 10 and 30 micrometer in diameter and has an eccentrically located oval or kidney-shaped nucleus. With the transmission electron microscope, the surface of the macrophage exhibits numerous folds and finger-like projections, a morphologic expression of their active pinocytic and phagocytic activities. Functions of macrophage. Number 1. Phagocytosis. Ingestion of microorganisms and senescence, damaged dead cells and cellular debris. Number 2. Antigen processing and presentation. Number 3. Secretion of cytokines and other molecules. Distribution of macrophages. Macrophages are distributed throughout the body and are present in most organs. Along with other monocyte-derived cells, they comprise a family of cells called the mononuclear phagocytic system. Some cells of mononuclear phagocytic systems. Monocytes, they present in the blood. Macrophages, present in connective tissue. Alveolar macrophages or dust cells, they present in lung alveoli. Kupffer cells in the liver. Langerhans cells present in skin. Osteoclast in bone. Microglia present in the brain. Dendritic cells, they present in the lymphoid organ. Now, mast cells. They originate from hematopoietic stem cell in bone marrow. They are round or fusiform cells with centrally placed round nucleus. Their cytoplasm is filled with metachromatic granules. These granules contain heparin, histamine, serine protease, eosinophil and neutrophil chemotactic factors, cytokines, phospholipid precursors. Now, functions of mast cells. They are involved in local inflammatory reactions, innate immunity, tissue repair, allergies, and hypersensitive reactions. Fat cells or adipocytes. They arise from undifferentiated mesenchymal stem cell. They are fully differentiated and do not undergo cell division. Two types of adipocyte present. Number 1, white adipocyte, and number 2, brown adipocytes. White adipocytes are called unilocular because the triglycerides are stored in this single large droplet. Brown adipocytes are called multilocular because they contain many small lipid inclusions. Functions of adipocyte. Number 1, synthesis and storage of fat. Number 2, produce heat by non-shivering thermogenesis. Pigment cells such as melanocytes. Melanocytes protect the skin against the ultraviolet radiation of the sun. This is all for today. Hope you will get some idea about cells of general connective tissue.